Our product takes the hardest part of using a pressure cooker and makes it easy. Goodbye, crazy spice cabinet. Hello, Ani's Spices.
I'm Dan.
Hi, I'm Milani.
And I'm Chef Matt.
And we're Ani's Spices.
Milani and I have always enjoyed cooking. And a few years ago, we got a pressure cooker. After a few weeks, I came across a recipe for butter chicken.
It was a game changer. The recipe was simple and easy to follow.
But when we first made it, we didn't have any of the spices that we needed.
When we looked for other delicious and flavorful recipes, it was hit or miss.
Plus, who wants to buy a half dozen other spices to try a dish that might not work?
We knew there were others facing the same problems, and we wanted to help solve them.
To do that, we enlisted the help of our friend Matt.
My favorite part of designing the recipes has been thinking about how to make a recipe that seems so complex at first, with so many spices and so many ingredients, and boiling it down to its absolute essential elements so that anyone can do it fast and easy and make a fantastic meal right in their pressure cooker at home.
Over the last 6 months, we've been taking chefs' recipes and adopting them for pressure cookers. Each recipe makes 6 to 10 servings.
We're starting by releasing our first 4 spice packs right now in our Kickstarter.
The first 4 are butter chicken, Italian beef, jambalaya, and pulled pork.
And if we hit our first stretch goal in this Kickstarter, we'll be releasing our next 4 as well.
By supporting our crowdfunding campaign, you'll get access to our spice packs before the holidays.
That's right. We'll be shipping out spice packs by December 13th.
You can also sign up for a subscription service where we'll send you 3 spice packs a month, enough for 25 meals.
So why a subscription program?
We want to send you the freshest spices possible in a timely manner.
Not something that's been sitting on a grocery store shelf for months.
We also want a direct connection so we can hear from you on what you want us to make next.
Support our campaign so you can make restaurant quality meals right in your pressure cooker.
Thank you for your support from all of us at Ani's Spices.